I don't know about you guys, but I love to eat asparagus. Do you love to eat asparagus?
I love asparagus.
So we ordered from Hoss right here some Millennium asparagus crowns. And you can see right here, they're actually already starting to push out. So what we're gonna do is right over here in this area, I'm gonna till this up and we're gonna plant them here down in the garden, because out there I'm just afraid they're gonna get tilled up on the annual or biannual big till. And these are gonna last for 15 to 20 years.
Lots of asparagus.
Yes, so I think this little rectangular area right here will be fine as long as we can get the tiller to crank up. It hasn't been ran since last winter. And then come in here and make our furrows, which I'll show you guys in a minute, and then we'll get them planted. We'll harvest any the first year. We'll harvest a little bit the second year, but then the third year,
Asparagus time.
Asparagus City.
Roasted asparagus.
And nobody better go to the bathroom behind us, because we're gonna be eating a whole bunch of it.
We're gonna need asparagus recipes.
Yes, asparagus recipes.
So,
all right, let's get busy. All right, and we are back with ant protection. Looking awesome.
Much better.
And I just fired the barbecue grill up, so we're about to knock this out. We might be able to, darling, just do 2 trenches right here in this area and not have to worry about the wet spot over there. Plus, I ground up a bunch of the roots of the Southern Home. That's root pruning.
Okay.
Uh-oh. We are in trouble now.
Oh, he's gonna see that we took down his bench.
Oh no.
We gave him a new setup.
Uh-oh. We're in trouble. Look, he's already giving us the finger. Hey, Pop.
Hey.
We're gonna plant it right here.
Ain't gonna be in the way of that gate going in and out?
No,
It's gonna be down a little ways.
we're right through there. Hey, and look, we made you a new, or Sarah actually made you a new sitting area.
Ryan made it if you hate it.
You, yeah, if you don't, well, if you say you made it, he'll love it, regardless. You got your own table. I just got to order you a little umbrella base right there.
What's wrong with the one over there?
Well, you had about 1.5 yards of concrete on that thing, and every time you opened it, the gate wouldn't open because the umbrella would smack it.
Man, that's I'm gonna have to get me a ice chest with some beer in it.
Yeah, now you talking,
You're
man.
be in style now.
I had to go get me some boots on because them darn ants was eating me alive. So
Well, I got you some ant medicine.
good. Well, we're gonna put us see if we can fit all the asparagus right here in this little rectangular area from the gate post down to that box yonder, and use this little spot right here for the asparagus.
Oh, so you done planted it?
No, that's what I'm about to do right now. I had to go get boots and get a refreshment, and fire the grill up because we about to go grill and chill.
Oh, that sounds good.
So I got to get to work. What we're gonna do,
Oh, you're going across.
yeah, we take the crown and we plant him up like so, Then his roots go down into the ditch on either side, just like that.
How about that?
Oh.
I would never guess that.
I know, that's not what I was thinking either.
And then
Now
we're
it
gonna-
makes sense what you were doing.
We're gonna put them about a foot apart and see if we need to make another row. We might. We got a lot of them. Yeah, we got a good many crowns here. Look at that little dude. Already popping up. So we'll come about a foot, spread his roots out, put him just like that. Then we'll come in and put our fertilizer in just a second. But we're definitely probably gonna need another row. I'm gonna nestle them down right there a little bit just so I can hold his roots down. How's that looking, babe?
Looks good.
These are some healthy crowns, man.
It's going fast now.
Yeah.
The hard part's done.
The hard part's over.
I don't know, you might get them all. I forgot you had some over here.
Yeah. Wish we could get them all in one row and keep it kind of nice and neat in one area, but I think we're gonna have to make two. We shall see. This one almost looks like he's been decapitated, but that's the crown right there. And again, the first year we won't harvest anything off of them. Second year we'll harvest a little bit, and then the third year we can really get us some asparagus for the dinner table.
I didn't realize we had that many left.
Yeah, I think about 25 came from Hoss,
Okay.
but 14 and 13 is what?
27.
Got 2 free.
Ooh.
Good on you, Hoss. Oh, great. Now I gotta make another row.
Yep, get to it.
Yes, ma'am. All right, and there you have it, folks. Our little rectangular garden of millennial asparagus, ready in 2 years for a little bit of a harvest. And then in 3 years, a huge harvest. So if you haven't planted asparagus, you need to do it now because there's a little bit of time investment. Also, real quick, I want to show you guys what we put down in the rows. Of course, you know I'm not planting anything without my spoma. We used garden tone. This has got all of the beneficial bacteria and fungi. And then I used a slow release Harold's 2149 fertilizer. We're gonna fill up this entire garden this year with tomatoes, okra, corn, squash, beans, whiteacre, you name it, it's gonna be out here. We're gonna garden our faces off this year. So I appreciate you guys watching. The more you know, the more you grow. And we'll see you on the next
Video. Like and subscribe.
Very good.